Do you want to know how much YouTube paid me for 500 views? Do you want to buckle up and enjoy? So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So opening up, you see this video is an African folktale channel, and the video is ranking 2 of 10. That means it is top 2. The views 543, impression click-through rate is 3.6%, average rate duration 2.52, 2 minutes 52 seconds. So if we click on the watch time, we see that the watch time is 26.1, which is low because the views is also low, and but that's very fine. The subscribers I was able to get from this video is 4 subscribers. Also lovely, because this is a channel that is still growing, that is struggling to make it. So this is nice. Anyways, the impression is 10.4 thousand. That means it was shown on people's homepage, but 500 decided to click on it. That's freaking low. But anyways, we move. How viewers find this video is through browse feature, suggested videos, other YouTube features, YouTube search, and others. Content suggesting these videos. None of my video is here because I did not put this video in a playlist, I believe. But now I already have a playlist, but they are for my recent videos. I did not go down to go and add the old ones. So I believe that's why this is not in a playlist. Because if it's in a playlist, it will be added here. The content suggesting your video, my video will be added to it. And I'm always an advocate of always put your video in a playlist or an end screen or something. Returning viewers, unique viewers, it is not being stated. Whenever it is saying 0, it's as a result of it being on YouTube for a long time. So okay, they already said it. If it is showing 0, it means total number of unique viewers is only available for periods of up to 90 days to ensure data quality. So after 90 days, you'll not see the returning viewers or the unique viewers, which is fine. I don't need that, but I know by the graph that people actually watched. You get. There's no age because there's no data for that. There's no gender also because there's no data for that. But top geographical location: Nigeria, South Africa, United States. For the revenue, which is why you are here, it is $0.57, not up to $1, and the CPM is $3.29. At the point this video was amounting to $33. Right now, as at when I'm filming this video, so this video was amounting to $28.89. But I don't know why it is not being shown right now. But it is showing previous 2-day processing. And why I don't like the fact that they write this previous 2-day processing is by the time they calculate the last 2 days, this CPM will have reduced. If it's that they are doing it every day, because as the CPM increase, it is supposed to reflect. But because they don't add it until after 2 days, by the time they add it, it will have reduced, and it is the reduction stage you add. I just feel it is not fair. It's not fair because at the point this video is amounting to $33. Right now it's amounting to $28.89, but the CPM is 3.29. There's nothing I can do about that. And the RPM $1.39. 1.39. So 1.39 times the 543 views that I had was what gave me $0.71. So this is just to tell you that YouTube is a whole lot from you, but it can be easy if there's the views. It can be easy if your top geographical location is amongst the country that pays well, so that your CPM can make sense and whatever views you are getting can be used to times your RPM and give you substantial amounts. Because I know some people that their views is like 1,000 or less than 1,000, but because their CPM is really high, maybe based off on the type of niche they are, their revenue is going to be very high, even with 1,000. Look at me telling you that at the point this video was amounting to, the CPM was amounting to $33. Now imagine what my RPM would be. You get what I'm saying? So it is not just by the views, there are a lot of things in place. So if you're able to learn a lot, please do well to subscribe, do well to like, do well to join the community, because I talk about YouTube growth and earnings and everything relating to YouTube. If you have questions or you want me to talk about a particular topic, please do well to drop them in the comment down below. I'll be happy to talk about it because that's why I'm here. And thank you guys. See you guys later. Bye.